Alright, Jesus, excuse the Florida fog we got going on here, but we're in the process of fixing all of this mess. This is horrible. Okay, but so we've pretty much pulled the A-pillar trim off. Probably.
Maybe the B-pillar trim has to come off.
Maybe. But we're gonna fix that little boo-boo, and that's really like the brunt of the damage right there. It's not too bad, so the car's still straight. But we got a door. Where did we put the door? Oh, the door's over there. We got a fresh new white side skirt, a white A-pillar trim, and a fresh white door. And then over here is the hatch. I'm just gonna steal the glass off of that because I want to keep the hatch white. So we'll just have somebody redo the glass, and then it'll be all good.
Hey everyone, so we, Kibby and I pulled off the whole A-pillar thing, and then I pulled off the B-pillar, and Kibby just pulled off the whatever.
Okay. The rope, the black snake.
The black mamba.
Yeah.
And yeah, so now he's...
Our tools are for babies, so that's why I only use manual screwdrivers.
Okay. So we're like unscrewing this like trim wedge.
Just pinches the new A-pillar trim between there.
Keeps everything snug. And then we're gonna be using some adhesive to put the new like rubber trim molding stuff back on once we get the new A-pillar on. You want me to keep recording?
No, actually,
this is. Get some cinematic here.
I know this is really interesting.
We'll go like.
Wow. Shut up. Shut up.
Shut up, my feeling's awesome. That's gonna look so good. For like cinematic music, yes. What are you doing, Kibby?
Well, we're gonna don't record this.
What? So now you know how I feel.
We're cleaning this off. Alright, guys.
Whenever you tell me, whenever you start recording, like, what's up? And I'm doing something sketch, and then
alright, guys.
I have to tell you not to record it.
Today we're brake cleaning our entire car. It's just as good as Adams Polishes, Chemical Guys, whatever your detailer uses. You just need to drop them. Detailing is a scam. Right now we're just gonna use some this is just your average AutoZone brake cleaner, you know? Obviously it cleans and it dries it quickly too, so no water spots, guys. Biggest perk we're talking about here. You're just gonna take a shop rag, doesn't matter how dirty it is, just spray it in your eye, and you just
we're just cleaning
wipe away.
We're just cleaning off the part of the
Billy Mays here.
Okay. We're cleaning off the part of the chassis that needs to be re-adhered to the rubber. I keep on forgetting the word, but whatever.
Rubber.
The rubber. Yeah. So we're cleaning that off so that we can glue that part back up. Yeah.
The Gooby gun might have worked better.
No. Same. It doesn't matter. Like it doesn't matter.
It matters.
If my glass cleaner was here, then we would have used that. That would have been the best bet. But alcohol is alcohol.
I don't think there's just alcohol in here, buddy.
Even better.
Look at that.
Okay, that's not where I would have used it. Okay. We have detail spray, Kimmy. What the
on the right spot.
It just gets rid of the that. And focus. Yeah, nope. Oh, well, it had it for a second. You guys saw it.
We don't know what happened.
That's a good ass gorge.
I'm thinking a small ninja, but
a tiny ninja.
A tiny ninja.
Probably a heated woman ninja that wasn't happy about whoever this man's. I don't know. It's probably just like a rock or something.
It's probably definitely
hard or
different.
some shit. I don't know.
I'm surprised it didn't have a diff.
A what?
I'm surprised this car didn't have a welded diff already.
Why?
Well, it already has the yaw mod. Yaw. So that just is like a stability control system. Doesn't let you go skirt. I don't know. That's it.
Maybe he didn't want to slide. He just wanted to make it easier for him to lose control and die.
Well, it worked. I don't know if he died.
Aw.
Hopefully.
Aw.
Just kidding. I'm sure he's fine. Oh, you hear when you close the door is glass.
It's okay. That'll be fixed soon.
Yeah.
We're about to head to Harbor Freight and grab a puller, hopefully. And yeah. And then we'll get the frame pulled. And then throw the new door on. But we're gonna get this finished up and then probably throw the hatch on first and then yeah.
Well, the thing I'm concerned about with the hatch is the roof is kind of bonked in over here.
Yes.
You want to take this off? I want to see how the
hatch?
I want to see how the hatch opens and if it catches on the.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna do that.
Today we demonstrate how to vacuum out a car. Broken glass and expensive vacuum, the best mixture ever. Every hole, every nook and cranny. Oh yeah, get in there. Oh, what was that? That was part of the car we sucked up.
Oh, it's alright.
Every nook and cranny. If it's not clean to me, it's not clean to your nanny.
Alright, so we got the hatch pulled off, cleaned out all the broken glass that was in there, and now we're ready to throw the new hatch back on. So I'm gonna get started on that, and then it's probably too late to go to Harbor Freight and get someone to pull this out, but we'll get that in the morning, I guess. I don't know. We're running out of time, so we got a lot of work to do still. Isn't that right, Aunt?
Yeah, that's correct actually. And if you look closely right here, there's a K inscribed in the side of this, which stands for Kibby, and it's his vehicle. So don't fucking touch it.
I don't mind if people touch my car.
Oh, wow. Never mind.
So,
I'm gonna have my whole shirt tail tucked in. I was so into that one.
oh,
Thanks.
thank you. Okay, so we're pretty much done for the night.
Are we?
Yes. I got the side skirt off, so we're just waiting till the morning. I can't open the door like that. Super sick. So we can get the frame, puller, tool, whatever, to beat that out, so that we can throw the new door on and the new side skirt. I kind of hammered out the roof a little bit. It's still wavy, obviously, but it's better than what it was. I'll probably just end up doing like a carbon skin over the top and cutting it out. We did the hatch. I already went over that. I already checked with the... Anyways, the yaw thing has already been done. I don't know whoever had the car before me obviously was doing some slidey stuff with it, but I'm sure that's where this came from. But yeah. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go bring the diff to get welded, and we'll finish that. And the car's pretty much done. Oil looks clean, so it's good. Yeah, there's coolant. It's good. That's it. That's all you need. one set of tires. Those are not round, so.
Early the next morning.
Yeah. Got a bonfire, boys.
Alright, we're here with the professional welder. He watched a couple YouTube videos, so he's ready to go. Yeah.
Go.
Look at that.
Caught on fire again.
Montage.
Man, she's done. Let's close her up.
Yep. 4 little tacks. That'll be good. You want me to leave this on there too?
If you could, yeah. So far, we got some weld in there, all corners on the other side, and now we do that plate in there. We're gonna weld the plate in, make it extra strong so it doesn't break, because that would suck. I really don't want to have to pull this thing out again at all.
Yeah.
So yeah, stop flickering. Stop. That shouldn't go anywhere, I don't think. Okay. Alright, we got her all finished up. Got the plate welded in there. And we're gonna clean all the splatter off of there and brake clean it one more time, and we'll throw it back in. And should be good. Good?
Good to go.
Oh yeah.
Send it.
Almost ready for skids. I'm actually not that bad. What's up, guys? It's like 10 o'clock right now. I know I haven't really recorded anything, but the diff is back in the car and we got it on the ground. And we also threw the new door on there. It's definitely gonna have to see a frame machine or something, because the door, I don't know if you can see the crease, like the gap, the overlap, but it's not pretty. But I've done some modifications so that it will at least latch closed and everything. Just gotta throw the side skirt back on and swap over the interior trim piece for this door. And then I'm pretty much ready for tomorrow. We're gonna be working on Michael's thing next.
Working on something.
Everything's blurry.
Got a lot
working on something. You'll see that in the next video.
Got a lot of maintenance stuff going on.
So yeah, but tomorrow we're driving. Hopefully, I only have one set of tires, so we'll see how much I can get out of that. But yeah, see you guys later.
1 pair of pants later.
Alright guys, we made it to OSW. I've taken the car out a couple times, but I'm still fighting traction control issues. The car, I don't know if it's in some sort of limp mode or the VDC, the slip isn't just all the way off. I don't know. It says it's off there, and I have the switch off, and I even undid the wires underneath because I figured maybe the switch wasn't working. I don't know, but I can get sideways for like 3 seconds, and then the car just cuts power. I mean, it doesn't feel like the car has any power. It seems super slow, so I don't know if that's a result of the accident or what, but I don't know. We're still gonna have a good time and see what we can do with it, but I don't know. Alright, so we went to the track. We didn't do shit but What happened,
We did a
Dwayne? No, it's
donut,
okay. I don't care about the
and
music. We're far away.
Reversed entry into
All
a
right.
puddle.
So
And
my first time out. No, that. All right. Look, I don't have any GoPro footage because I suck. But my first time out, I spun into a puddle, and the ABS started freaking out. And after that, the car felt like it was down on power. So the first thing we noticed was the brake lights were stuck on, which they're off now because I unplugged the battery. But we realized the switch under the brake pedal was stuck back, or it was stuck on. So the lights were on. The car was thinking I was like had my foot on the brake, and it's not gonna let me have my foot on the brake and on the gas at the same time. So, you know, it wouldn't give me as much power as, you know, what the car has. It was like, it felt like maybe a fifth of the power. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. So we'll go get a new sensor in the morning or rig something up so that it works. And hopefully it'll be good for next time. The car felt pretty decent, but maybe some more angle, maybe a seat. But we'll get there eventually. Sorry there wasn't much footage drifting, but hopefully next time we can get some more. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.